And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. This I know, yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. People always told me be careful, cause she told me you'll never be alone. Oh, oh, can't stop the feeling. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. Oh, I can't feel my face when I'm with you. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. I am the one who will dance on the floor in the round. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know it's just magic. Yes, I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I like it, but I like it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I like it, but I like it. Yes, I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. I can feel my face when I'm with you.
So this is AMT, the 1970 Corvette LT1 ZR1 option, and I gotta say I'm super impressed with the model. Just the way the pieces fit together, everything is going just fantastic. This was just a fun model. I built it all with extra paint from other projects, but I would totally pick up one of these again and make it whatever color instead of just using leftover stuff. Anyway. Okay, so I normally don't build a model in this manner where I just put everything together and then paint it. But I really just wanted to enjoy the build, and I was going to make it a video and record everything, but I decided I was just going to just chill and just want to enjoy the build. And I had the body painted already. If you follow my channel, I had some extra paint. All this whole model was done with extra paint that I've had. And so normally I would, paint the oil filter blue or black or whatever it needs and all that, and then scrape off the paint and then use the cement here. Where is it? There it is. And put that on the plastic where the pieces are going to unite. But I thought I'd do it this way. I've had people tell me that they would like to put together a model, but they don't know if they have the ability to hold their hand steady and paint all these little pieces. To that I say don't. Just put the engine together, paint the whole thing red. I'm going to take my paint markers and paint the distributor cap black, the belts black to the best that my paint marker can hit. And that's it. Just doing this one for fun. I'm not trying to build a show car here. I just wanted a really nice daily. So anyway.